Welcome to this mindfulness meditation session. Today, we will embark on a journey to find inner peace and cultivate a sense of calm and awareness. Before we begin, ensure you are seated comfortably, either on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or on a cushion with your legs crossed. Allow your hands to rest gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes and let's begin. First, let's take a few deep breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Let's do this 3 times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now, let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Simply observe the flow of your breath without trying to control it. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest or the gentle expansion and contraction of your abdomen. Just observe. As you continue to breathe naturally, bring your attention to the present moment. Allow yourself to be fully here, now. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide your focus back to your breath. It's normal for thoughts to arise. Acknowledge them without judgment and let them pass, returning your focus to your breath. Now, let's do a body scan. Bring your attention to your feet. Notice any sensations you feel. Are your feet warm or cool? Do you feel any pressure or tingling? Just observe without trying to change anything. Slowly move your attention up to your legs. Notice your calves, knees, and thighs. Observe any sensations, any areas of tension or relaxation. Simply be aware. Bring your attention to your hips and lower back. Notice how your body feels in this area. Are there any tight spots or areas of discomfort? Just observe without judgment. Now, focus on your abdomen and chest. Notice the movement of your breath. Feel the rise and fall with each inhale and exhale. Observe any sensations you may feel. Move your attention to your shoulders and upper back. Are they tense or relaxed? Notice any sensations, any areas of tension or ease. Now, bring your attention to your arms, from your shoulders down to your hands. Notice any sensations in your biceps, forearms, wrists, and fingers. Simply observe. Finally, focus on your neck, face, and head. Notice if you're holding any tension in your jaw, around your eyes, or in your forehead. Allow these areas to soften and relax. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. Notice how your body feels as a whole. Feel the sense of calm and relaxation that comes from being fully present in this moment. Next, let's expand our awareness to the sounds around us. Without straining to identify them, simply notice the different sounds you can hear. They might be distant or nearby, loud or soft. Let them come and go, just as they are, without attaching any judgment to them. Now, let's focus on our thoughts. Imagine you are sitting by a river, watching your thoughts flow by like leaves on the water. Observe each thought as it comes into your mind, and then let it drift away downstream. You don't need to hold on to any thought. Simply let them pass. Let's now turn our attention to our emotions. Notice if there are any feelings present in this moment. You don't need to change them or make them go away. Just acknowledge their presence and let them be. Allow yourself to feel whatever is here, right now. As we approach the end of this meditation, bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the gentle rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Notice how your body feels now compared to when we started. Appreciate this time you have taken for yourself to be present and mindful. Take a few more deep breaths, slowly and deeply. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes.